Hello everyone. Now we'll be going through our websites, which was the CollegeFrenzy. This is the hub of the college, which represent the events and the competitions. Let's get into this. Here we'll be mentioning some images which it represents the website, all the sports and events. We have also mentioned the mission of the website and the vision. And we also mentioned few points which will be like working with the website. Here we were mentioning the count of the companies and the colleges registered, number of student registers, and the records of the events and the competitions. And we also mentioning the programs list. Here we have three types of logins: students, which can be which can register for the events and the competitions, and those events and competitions were published by the companies, and the colleges were responsible for maintaining all these records, and they were able to publish the records of the events and the competition. Let's get into this a few minutes later. We'll be mentioning the contact details, address, few fast access links, and this is just a college access. Now we'll get into the records were just the events in the they were just the past records. Now we'll be seeing the events list. This is the event, like we'll be having few matter and the images. We'll get into the second one, the same thing, few images and the matter. And next, the same thing. Here we'll be mentioning the title of the event and the published date, the same thing. Now we'll go to the competition. The same thing happens over here, the title and the date of published, the, the same thing with these two. And this, now we'll get into the login. First we will be going to the login page of student. Here we have two options: existing student, which has the account, and the new. We will be having like this, and for the new we'll be having over like this. We can register over from here. Now first we'll log in. This is the dashboard. Through here we can update the profile. We can change the password. Now we'll first log in, and we'll log in as the company. The same thing, we can create the new account. We'll log in through the existing one. The same thing, dashboard, and here we can update the profile, change the profile, password, everything. Now we'll try to log in as college. We have only one option for the admins and the colleges, like they have to log in, no option for the for creating the new one. To create a new one, we will be discussing in further. Let's click it, sorry, admin. Now this is the dashboard, the report. Here the, as I said, the college can be able to manage all the records. We'll see student account. From here we can edit those, delete those accounts. Now we'll go through the company records. This is where the company records. The general setting, we can add the admin. From here we can add the admins, and we can view the number of admins, and we can edit those, delete those things. We can change the password, add cities, states and the countries. We can, from here we can add the records of the events, and from here we can add these records. We can also view and edit those records. And this is the contact us page. From here the users can contact us, like they can enter their name, email and their query, and by submitting we will be getting those queries, and we will be contacting them further. And finally the team, This is our team. Myself, Neeraj Srinivas, and my teammate Surender Rathod. Thank you.